just seen a FedEx truck on its side on the 95 expressway in the northbound lanes on exit 176. So he was in the same truck that I'm driving in now, which is an MT-55 Freightliner. And you know, it's raining out, it has a lot of wind. So if you're on empty, you got nothing in your truck to hold you down. You got to be a lot more careful, especially if it's wet out or if somebody cuts you off. You got to be very, very careful. I hope he had a seatbelt on because there's no airbags in these trucks. None. That was pretty scary to see. So, FedEx guys, please be careful. UPS guys, everybody in your trucks, high winds, heavy rains, fast speeds don't mix well. Pass a lot of trucks, a lot of semis. You're doing at least 80. The roads are wet and it's raining out, so you guys really need to be careful. I've never seen this truck on its side before. Never. That was pretty scary. So I didn't see any fire. The truck is not in a ditch. Hopefully he survived and he's okay. And just be careful, everybody out there. All this crazy weather we're getting. Some of you guys are getting snow in the north. We're getting a lot of rain in the south. And nothing is worth getting there faster, but you end up in the hospital or you end up dead. So take your time, slow down, slow down. These trucks have a lot of wind resistance on the highway because they're very big and tall trucks. Same thing with the trailers, the semis. When you got an empty trailer, slow it down. Slow it down. It's not worth it. Insurance is already high, sky high. It's already sky high. You don't want higher insurance. It's funny recording this stupid thing. Anyway, bye.